Hi, everybody, and welcome to Know What You're Talking About. Today, we're working on Topic 3, DQ2. Once again, that reminder, during Topic 3, both of the DQs go back to Chapter 6, and Chapter 6 was actually included in Topic 2. Chapter 6 is an important chapter. We didn't have very much time to cover it last week, so the DQs this week kind of continue that discussion. As a side note, be sure that you follow up on some of the problems that I post in the discussion this week for participation credit. That will help you to get some discussion of and practice with the topics that are being discussed this week, which are important also. But let's look at DQ2. DQ2 says, does the United States labor market supply or labor supply tend to be more elastic or more inelastic? Explain the competing theories discussed in our textbook. Which seems more convincing to you? Explain your answer. Once again, it's a kind of a complicated discussion question, but let's look at the rubric to see exactly what's going to be required. So we're going to the rubric here, and the rubric says, explain the reasoning of advocates. You get 2.5 points for that. Explain the reasoning of opponents, and you get 2.5 points for that. So you just need the reasoning of the advocates and the reasoning of the opponents, and you'll be good to go. So where are you going to find that? Let's go to the textbook. I'm over here in MindTap, familiar place for all of you, I'm sure. I've gone to Topic 2 because, as I said, these come from Chapter 6. Chapter 6 is a part of Topic 2. So within Chapter 6, let's go to the interactive textbook. And in the interactive textbook, we will wait for it to load very patiently. And section 6-1B is how price floors affect market outcomes. Of course, a minimum wage is a price floor. It doesn't let the price, the wage, fall below a certain level. That makes it a price floor. So you'll want to read all of this material, of course, but here is the most important part. Here's the case study about the minimum wage right here. And it goes on, and there's a couple of figures about how this all works and lots of discussion. And it talks about the theories that the advocates put forward and the theories that the opponents put forward, and that's exactly what you're going to need for this DQ. So with that, I think you're all set. I look forward to reading your responses. See you again next time.